Good afternoon to all. Before two videos, we have seen that basic arrays concept and sorting searching in the arrays. In this video, we have going to see about multi-dimensional arrays. Multi-dimensional array is nothing but it has many dimensions. That is nothing but it have more number of square bracket. It is has a more number of one dimension is called as a multi-dimensional array. Each dimension subdivides the previous one for the specified number of elements. That is nothing but there are many number of square bracket which consider the number of elements in multidimensional array. It has its own length concept in multidimensional arrays. There have array references within one dimension may be different lengths. Here we have seen as the array list class. It is very important topic in array. That is nothing but array list class is nothing but it includes in the package java.util packages, and the array list class will collected the objects and store and fetch into the java.util packages in like an array. It can store a list of values and references with an index. Array list is nothing but it is also called as an creates an objects that grows and sinks as needed. Then it can be inserted or removed with a single method invocations. The array object class is nothing. Array list class is nothing but which allows to store any kind of objects to creating an object in an array list class. Then how efficiency in array list. The array list class is implemented using an array. Is already known that array list class can be implemented using an array. Then array list class automatically expands the capacity of an array elements. Then array indexes can be added or removed. Removed. It can be manipulated, but the array index can be removed or added at the last. It will be more efficient for the array list classes. If elements are added to or removed at the end of the list, it will be more efficient when compared to the middle of an element in an array for adding and removing of an array elements in an array list. Then we are going to see two graphical representation. That is nothing but polygons and polylines. Polygons is nothing but these tools are it is a graphical processing used in an array. Lines is nothing but it will shows in satellite that in rocket it will show the red line is called as a polylines. Polygons is nothing but it will show it will have a array list. Then polygon class. The polygon class and polylines is nothing but it is stored in a java.awt.package. Java.awt.package is it will be fetch the draw polygon class and fill polygon class. Draw polygon is nothing but is used to drawing a shape, and a fill polygon is nothing but it is used to fill the colors for that particular shape for that. For that class polygon class. Then we have an objects as a parameter to the polygon class. Then we're going to see a checkbox radio buttons. That is something but checkbox is a toggled box. It is otherwise called as a toggle box. The toggle box is something but collection of checkboxes in a single name is called as a toggle box, either on or off. Then checkbox is nothing but it is a class for checkbox creation. A Java checkbox is a class for creating a checkbox. Then it generates an item event that is called as an item listener interface corresponding to an item events. Item listener is nothing but it is a one kind of interfaces for an creating a checkbox, radio buttons, list, menu box, menu bar, toggle bar, etc. Then items change state changes nothing but it will be changes the state of an particular items. That is nothing but checkbox, radio button, either it will be selected or unselected. It's called as a change state. Then we have to saying a frame. A frame is nothing but for website we having a creating a frame. For images we have having a frame. Likewise in array concept it supports the frame which is a container used for a standard GUI is a graphical user interface applications. Then JFrame class is used in java.aw.packages. It will be created a fonts. That is nothing but family name is such as Times New Roman, anything Courier, Times New Roman, like Arial, anything. Then style is called bold, italic, underline. Then font size 12, 14, 26, 38. Or we are giving options for that. So it will giving the font size, then bold, italic, checkbox, or either it will be selected the bold. Bold it will be selected, not it's an italic. Then radio buttons. Radio buttons is also mutually exclusive options, either on or off. It is also a group of a toggle bar, that is a toggle button, that is either it will be selected or unselected, or it will be also generate an action event. That is the thing. But for that radio button, we have to first example we have seen a checkbox. In second example, we have seen a radio button. Philosophy, it will be selected for that particular radio button. Then for the previous videos, we have seen about the what is an array, or what is an array initialization, how we have declaring an array, then what is an array, how to declare an object as an array, then how to measure an index of an array. Then we have seen the types of an array. First one is a one dimensional array, two dimensional array, then third one is a multi-dimensional array. Then array, we have to implement the two concept. One is an shorting, another one is swapping concept. Then we have seen as a polylines and polygons, that is graphical GUI components using an array. In this it is a briefly about an array. If any doubts, you may see in the previous videos. Thank you for everyone.